Hello, my name is Scott Hamlin, and I'm the creator of Easy Animator Pro 2.1, and we're actually looking at 2.1 here, even though it says 2.0 up here. It's a brand new update we just released, and so I'm giving you a demo of the latest version here. So Easy Animator Pro is designed to create animations really kind of in snippets, or basically we take the divide and conquer approach to making videos by making it easy for you to make, little 8 to 20 second, whatever, videos at a time, and you export them out. I find that it is far more efficient to create video that way. At least it has been for me. Inside of the course, inside of the member area, I have a course on how to make video in about an hour with Easy Animator Pro, and I show you the advantages of that approach to Easy Animator Pro. But the cool thing about Easy Animator Pro is that we can do keyword searches. I provide what we call Anibits. That's these graphics here. They are SVG files that have been specially constructed to work with Easy Animator Pro. So I can do keyword searches, and what I'm going to be coming up with in this keyword search here is some of these Anibits are sold separately, but some are included for free. I add new ones every month, and I always, when we release Anibits, I basically give you a free sampling of them. The Anibits are how we pay for additional developments of Easy Animator Pro. But you can see here that it's come up with a bunch of stuff, and so whenever I'm making my video, it's very common that I'm basically going to go, okay, I need, I don't know, maybe a maze. I need a maze. So I might be basically saying, oh, I need to, I'm saying something like, how do you navigate? Do you need to be able to navigate the maze of, whatever it is in your business, right? So I can click on something like that, and I can select it, and I can break it apart. And it basically breaks it apart into little pieces. And then if I come over here to the animated option, I can click on this over and over again to try different animations to see if I like them, and find something. There's basically different options here. There's the default options. There's these are sold separately, easy text boxes, and so we have presets that can be imported that are specially designed for specific things, and so forth. So you can do that, or you can come into what we have our advanced mode. This is our easy mode, which just it's one way to do things, or you can go into the advanced mode and dig into all of the tons of additional animations. These are built-in animations for in. We have pause animations, tons of pause animations, and tons of out animations, and the combination of which works out to be millions of different possibilities. But we don't really want you to have to click on all these different tabs to move things around. By the way, you can move things around. You can size them. You can delete them. Let's say I only wanted this pencil and didn't want everything else. I can do that. I can lock the layers. I can change the layer of them. So I've got the pencil selected right now, and if I wanted to, for some reason, have it be in the back, I could do that. And you can see we have the ability to do text animations here, so I can quickly show you that. Let's remove this, and I can add in my text. It uses your system fonts, so if you are in a non-English language, you can use your fonts, and if you are Hebrew or Arabic, you can use the right to left option here. But I can come down to find whatever my favorite font. It tends to be Chunk 5. I'm looking for it right here. It's looks like I'm haven't gone down far enough, but there we go. Then I can type in something, hello world, and if I click on this, I'm back out in sort of the edit mode where I can kind of size this up. We have a center on stage feature, which is pretty cool, and we can of course color the font whatever color we want. And the alignment options, and of course we could size this way as well. We also have the ability to clone, so I can make a copy of that, and if I want to. I don't in this case, but and here's a neat thing: we can break apart the words according to, if I want to, words, lines, if I have multiple lines, or letters. So I can click on letters, for example, and it's now turned each letter into a separate object, and if I go into presets here, I can animate them separately. Now the presets are something that really help you to be able to create animations quickly and easily. As I kind of mentioned before, you can save your own, you can delete them, you can import presets. We offer presets for free sometimes, and we also have them in products sold separately, and so forth. So there's quite a lot here. You can get more tutorials here. You can discover more Anibits here. There's other options here too for shortcuts, which we talk about. Since we can break things apart into other options, We wanted to have shortcuts here that allow you to apply any of these animations to all of the things in an in state or an out state or a pause state. So in other words, if I want to click here and change this to where there's no animation for all of the different ones there, you can see that it applied that none to all of these. Or if I want to, let's say I want to stir vertically, so I can apply it all to one state at a time instead of individually, so that you have shortcuts like that. So lots of cool options, but we have the ability to change the stage size to whatever you want. And you can export to SWF for explain.io, GIF, MOV, and MP4. We also have the ability to import video, so you can animate over video, but that only allows you to, that can only be exported to MP4. And there's a lot of other, this option right here, inverse, allows you to, right now it's animating from the top down. So in other words, if we had delays, but by the way, there's delays, I can delay things like this. So they're all coming in a little differently now. So you can see that they're coming in just a little bit different. And so that's kind of neat. And then you have, so if I have delays like this, I can invert it. I can have them coming in opposite directions. So if I want to. So that's what that does. So there's a lot of options, a lot of cool animation possibilities with Easy Animator Pro. We include 2 bonus courses in addition to the tutorials. The first course is SVG Masterclass, so that you can know how to create SVG files to animate with Easy Animator Pro, and also edit them and so forth. And then we have the how to create animations in our video, quality video, in about an hour with Easy Animator Pro as well. So thanks a lot for checking out this demo. I hope you grab Easy Animator Pro and have a lot of fun with it.